my friend Terry with her Four Winds Class C motorhome. So when did you get it?
Actually, just earlier this year.
And what year is it?
It's a 16.
In 2016. And it's a Ford, and has a big engine, right?
It's a 10.
Ford 10. And everything has gone well with it. How long is it?
Just under 30 feet.
Just under 30 feet. And you drove it all the way up here by yourself. It was wonderful. Yes.
Actually, my third long trip.
On your own. Cool. Very good. Very good. All right. Can we see inside, please? And you have, looks like you have some external compartments down here and one in the back. Are there any on the other side too?
No. Large compartment in the back.
Okay. 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 Now you bought it already renovated the way it is.
Bought it partially renovated. Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay.
The dinette has been removed.
Mm-hmm.
I had to add extra storage.
Where was your extra storage? Oh, that counter.
Yeah.
Oh, very good.
An extra cabinet. We just put in a little drop leaf table.
Uh-huh.
To sit, it's just the two of us. That works fine. Here's the one slide.
Mm-hmm. Which is this whole kitchen area.
Kitchen area is a slide.
Okay.
I have repainted the bedroom and this. It's not totally finished yet.
And then that goes into the front of the
That's
coach.
the front cab. Has the sleepover there, which this was, which I like it. It's really cute. We'll never get up there ever.
But when your daughter comes,
Yeah.
she sleeps up there
Her
sometimes.
and her dog slept up here last night.
And then you
fun
have this
getting
little sofa. Now that's a freestanding sofa, so it's
Yes,
not
it
really
is.
attached.
It's not tied down,
Okay.
and it was white.
And it's not a sleeper sofa.
Nope.
Okay, it's just a
nothing.
sofa
Just
sofa.
a love seat.
Is it comfortable?
Yeah, it's not so bad.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all right.
I like your throws.
Thank you.
Those are neat. And I like all the little things along your window. Those are cute. Do you have to take those down when you travel?
No, these are,
You got command sticky under there?
they're-
They're permanent. Okay.
that's all.
And you got cabinetry up there. And I bet you don't get on that one very often.
Nope.
John does that one, huh? Because it's right below the step. I would even have a problem doing that.
Yeah, I can't do that.
And then you have a TV here. That's good.
I think in the original floor plan, the TV was over here, over the dinette.
Oh, okay.
You know,
Possible. They could sit there. Where was the dinette originally?
just a double
There.
dinette.
Okay. And what was over where the sofa is
There
now?
was one of those jackknife.
Jackknife sofas. Okay. And then your kitchen. You have some nice drawers. Go ahead.
Yeah, that's it. It's just only.
And you have a nice sink, double sink.
Double sink, big.
Mm-hmm.
And then John just made this for me
Nice.
to expand the counter area.
Uh-huh. Over the stove.
Yeah, so that works.
And
out
you're cooking
there.
for the potluck tonight.
Cooking.
We're plugged into electricity. And you have a microwave. Do you like the microwave?
Yeah, it's fine.
Just a microwave, not a convection oven.
So this one has an oven.
Yes, it does.
Don't look in the oven.
Okay, don't look in the oven, but there's an oven there.
It's another story.
Okay, let's...
My old RV did not have an oven.
Ah.
So I like that.
Yeah. And then here's your refrigerator.
Which is
Okay.
nice. It's
Which way does it open? It opens that way. Okay.
big.
It's big. Nice big refrigerator. And a nice big freezer.
freezer. And another little
Cabinet up there.
can't get to.
I know you have a step stool for that. Huh? Okay, I'm going to stop a minute. And this is the bathroom. And you have a shower and a little tub.
No tub.
Oh, no tub. Just all shower.
Yeah.
But looks deep. Is it
No.
deep?
No.
No? Oh, I see.
Just regular.
Okay. So is it difficult to step in and out?
Yeah,
Because that's quite a step down.
it is. It's a very odd arrangement, I think.
Oh, okay.
It's one of those
And
weird
potty and
things.
sink and cupboards.
Large
Medicine
storage-
cabinet.
Large medicine cabinet.
Nice.
It's wonderful.
Nice.
Lots of storage in here.
Cool. Very good.
Counter space.
Mm-hmm.
More than in the kitchen. Nice.
Okay, I'm going to stop. All right, and this is her bedroom area.
It is a walk around queen.
It is a walk around there. You're standing in that side, and then there's a side over there. But this has this steppy counter thing.
They, in the floor plan, call it a step.
Okay.
And that is because you cannot get to your closets.
Oh, without going on the step?
Yeah. And they're very deep and sort of useless. There's no hanging space.
Oh, wow. That's too bad.
Yeah.
And what about up above? You can get to those if you get on the bed, huh?
It's normal coverage.
And the bed is a queen size? And it's comfortable?
Very.
If you put any other different mattresses on or anything?
Well, it came with thing. It's very nice.
And then, is there storage under the bed?
No.
Okay.
Water tank.
Water tanks under the bed. Okay, good. So is it a comfortable motorhome?
Yeah.
You've had other
We've
motorhomes.
had, our last one was a Class A.
Yeah.
30 foot. It had more amenities
Uh-huh.
that were sort of missing in this one. Conveniences like switches and plugs and water turn on in the bathroom type of thing. But other than that, it's roomier.
Okay.
It's nice.
Okay. Well, good. Well, thank you very much, Terry. Appreciate the video. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.